If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Travel Lite Duffle. This is amazing. I just love this. It's like not too big, it's not too small. It would be the perfect carry-on bag. Yeah, I just love it. So let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it's really nice that you can actually have like an accent panel on it if you wanted to. So this one I've done with a quilting cotton accent with this beautiful, beautiful print and vinyl all the way around. You can see it's a nice, square, blocky, very well structured bag. It has a crossbody strap and a very, very roomy interior. Perfect travel bag, overnight bag, carry-on bag. I just absolutely love it. So if you're one of my clients and you'd like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly, as well as we have a sew along course that is launching in March 2026 for this bag. So depending when you're watching this, check out the membership side. If it's been a year and a half, then it's already gone public. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.